Just a little message to say that despite life's all their ups and downs, I just want to encourage you to keep plugging in there and keep feeling your emotions without getting into a mental story which creates the emotions, but just feel without any attachment or idea or connection to what's happening. See if you can just feel like a baby. And that's emotional healing, okay, when we can cry and let out sadness, pain, or whatever else, okay? But secondly, just try and put on a really good attitude and try and release and let go of negativity. Try and seek peace in relationships and yourself. Try and overlook the non-peace or upset or agitation or anger in others. Try and see a vision or have a goal of what you'd like to happen in your relationship, and see if that can help you to adjust your behavior in your relationship so you don't strike back or react as much. That's what I'm doing in my life, and I do all of these things, but I want to change all of these things. So it's really good when we adapt and adopt. Yeah, when we adapt and then when we adopt a certain new demeanor. It's really nice to forge peace, create peace, and to be peace, and just sometimes bite our tongue a little bit and don't speak too soon. I think some ancient teacher like Tolstoy or somebody else said, rarely talk much, or try to keep the silence as much as you can, and when you do talk only when needed, as minimally as possible. That might be a little bit exaggerated for most of us, for sure, but I do believe in the power of not overdoing things verbally, which creates a lot of stress in relationships. So that's all I really want to say in this video. And if anyone following, my beard is growing back. When I cut it in Costa Rica, it was down to here. So I'm going to grow it back because my lovely little toddler loves to pull it. I just like having it anyway. And being a father is the greatest gift I've ever had, having my own little baby and toddler. So lots of love to you all, and have a beautiful day. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting me in this channel. And I wish to support you and your channel of life and anything else you got going on. So keeping the best you. And you're awesome. So thanks for everything. Yes, have a great day and now moment always.
Know you are loved. Rest in peace. Dream your sweet dreams till your soul is released. Know you are loved. Rest in peace.